Hey, Elmar Road third graders, it's Mr. M here, and I'm going to talk to you about muscles. There are three kinds of muscles we're going to talk about today, and I know there's a picture of Colin Kaepernick there, and all you Panthers fans might not be that happy about that, but I was looking for pictures of different types of muscles. So let's get started by talking about what the three types of muscles are. So you have three types of muscles in your body. You have smooth muscles. Everybody say smooth. You have cardiac muscles. Everyone say cardiac. And you have skeletal muscles. Say skeletal. Each one of these muscles does a different thing in your body. Each one of them is found in different parts of your body, and they all have their own unique characteristics. So let's talk first about smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are all over your body. You might find them in places like your stomach, your esophagus, your bladder, and your eyes. Smooth muscles are involuntary. Everybody say involuntary. Involuntary means that you can't control them. Your brain controls these muscles and tells them what to do. So think about it in terms of digestion. You don't have any control over when your body digests. You can't start and stop digestion on your own. Your brain controls that process and makes sure that it happens. So if you think about this, when you swallow, those smooth muscles are controlled by your brain and make sure that the food makes it all the way down to your stomach, where it's then digested, which is also controlled by smooth muscles. So the next type of muscle, cardiac muscles. Everybody say cardiac. Cardiac muscles are the muscles in your heart. These are the muscles that help pump blood throughout your body. They contract and push blood out, and then they relax. And they contract and relax. These ones as well are involuntary, meaning you can't control them. Okay, you don't have any control over how your heart beats. Your brain, again, is going to control these muscles. The last type of muscles are skeletal muscles. You can control your skeletal muscles. These are found all over your body. These might help you do things like jump, run, and throw. They're usually attached to a bone, and they're the things that give your body power and strength. If you think about it, the muscles in your arm, the muscles in your legs, the muscles in your back and your neck, those are all skeletal muscles. You can decide how and when you move them, so you have complete control over them. So let's review the three types of muscles. So you have one, smooth. Remember, involuntary, found in a lot of your organs and help your body do certain processes like digestion and swallowing. Cardiac muscles are found in your heart and help push blood throughout your body. Remember, you don't have any control over cardiac muscles as well. Skeletal muscles are different because you can control those muscles. These are found in your arms, your legs, your back, your neck, and you tell them what to do and how to move. So remember, three types. Two of them are pretty similar. Smooth, and cardiac. One of them is a little bit different. Skeletal. Remember, skeletal are the only type of muscle that you can control. So, if you listen this whole time, you just learned about the three different types of muscles. If you've listened this whole time, I have a joke for you. Why did the cardiac muscle cross the road? Give up? Because it's involuntary. The brain told it to. Ha ha ha. Not a good joke. But feel free to share that with your teachers because I'm sure they'd love to hear all of you tell them that joke the next time you see them. If you have any questions, ask your teachers or stop me in the hallway and I'll be glad to talk to you more about the three different types of muscles. Until I see you again, this is Mr. Maureen, over and out.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.